The 60-30-10 rule in interior design. Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Makeover, where we talk about smart interior design tips that can transform your space. In today's video, we are going to share one of the most important rules in color design, the famous 60-30-10 rule. If you've ever wondered how designers make spaces look balanced and stylish, this is the secret. The 60-30-10 rule is a simple formula for mixing colors in interior design. 60% is your dominant color. This covers the largest surfaces like walls, big furniture, or flooring. 30% is your secondary color. This adds depth and interest through curtains, accent walls, or rugs. And 10% is your accent color, the fun part. Think cushions, artwork, lamps, or decorative objects. When you follow this ratio, your space feels harmonious, professional, and visually appealing without looking boring or overwhelming. How to apply it. 1. Decide the mood, calm or energetic, cozy or formal. 2. Choose 3 colors, a safe neutral for 60%, a supportive color for 30%, and a bold accent for 10%. 3. Spread them wisely. Walls plus floor are usually your 60%. Furniture or textiles become the 30%, and small decor items give you the 10%. And remember, keep the accent colors in things you can easily swap out if your style changes later. Let's look at some palettes you can try at home. Modern neutrals with warm accent, 60% light gray, 30% soft blue-gray, 10% terracotta orange. Mediterranean inspired, 60% light cream, 30% deep navy teal, 10% golden mustard. Minimal and cool, 60% white, 30% medium gray, 10% turquoise. See how each palette feels different, yet still balanced? That's the beauty of this rule. In a living room, your 60% is the wall color and neutral rug, 30% is the sofa or curtains, and 10% is cushions, art, or plants. In a kitchen, cabinets and walls are 60%, backsplash or island is 30%, and the accents come from stools or accessories. Even in a small bathroom, light tiles make up 60%. Vanity or patterned wall tiles are 30%. And towels or mirrors bring in the 10%. Don't let your accent color take over. 10% should stay small, otherwise the space feels chaotic. Make sure the 60% and 30% are different enough. If they're too similar, the design looks flat. Don't forget about materials. wood, stone, and metals can count as part of your 30% or 10%. Use 2 accent colors, like 60 to 30 to 5 to 5. Try a monochrome look with 1 color family, but play with light and dark shades plus textures. Or in open plan spaces, use 1 shared dominant color for cohesion and adjust the secondary and accent colors in each zone. If you're unsure which colors to pick, use the color wheel. Choose your 30% from analogous colors, close to your dominant color for a calm look. Or pick your 10% from complementary colors, the opposite side, for a bold, dynamic vibe. And when in doubt, keep the 60 and 30 neutral and let the 10% pop. It almost always works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a makeover tips and tricks.